So, it's Kendricks. Today I'm gonna talk about which animals have similar digestive systems as humans. So let's hop to the video. Animals with similar systems are usually omnivorous or meat eaters. The reason I'm saying humans are omnivorous is because when we eat lots of raw animal fats, we get influx of beneficial bacteria, probiotic enzymes. So it produces a lot of, not a lot of, just a tiny amount of cellulose and pectinase. Just the research I got from aajonus vonderplanitz. Now I really disagree with that. The reason I'm saying is that we only can digest raw animal fats and nothing else. So by definition we are carnivorous, and this can be proved if you see the anthropological of humans or stable isotope analysis. So let's get to the video. The first animal that is similar to our digestive system is pigs. Pigs' digestion is like ours. They're used to study human digestion because they're so alike. Enzymes, they have amylase, pepsin, pancreatic enzymes like us. They also absorb nutrients the same way. Proof: studies show that their enzymes work like ours to digest food. Examples: pigs in research mimic how we digest grains, fruits, and proteins. Vonderplanitz, he'd say pigs eat raw food, so we can too. So the pigs were used in research centers, and they found that they have the same enzymes as humans, but they're close to it. Dogs, similarity: dogs eat mostly meat. Their stomachs are very acidic like ours. Enzymes, they don't have amylase in their spit, but their pancreas makes amylase, lipase, and proteases. They also have lysozymes that kill bacteria like us. Proof: dogs' enzymes can digest carbs even though they don't eat many. Their enzymes work no matter what they eat. Example: dogs eating raw meat, BARF, is proof we can too, according to Bonaplanets. He'd point out dogs eat raw meat and bones, so we can too. He might say cooking kills helpful enzymes. I agree with it. Chimpanzees, similarity: chimps are omnivorous with stomachs like ours. Enzymes, they have amylase, pepsin, pancreatic enzymes like us. Proof: studies show their enzymes are similar to ours for digesting proteins and carbs. Example: chimps eat raw meat, fruit, and plants, which Bonaplanets would say is our natural diet too. Bonaplanets, he'd mention chimps eat raw meat and organs, meaning we should too, especially fats and proteins. Number 4. Rats, similarity: rats are omnivorous with similar digestion to humans. That's why most of the rats are used in laboratory by the scientist Carnivore to test what are the chemicals they are using on rats so that they can use in humans too. Enzymes, They have amylase, pepsin, and pancreatic enzymes like us. Proof: their enzymes break down proteins and carbs like ours. Example: rats are used to study digestion because they are similar. They eat raw food in the wild. Vonderplanitz, he'd say rats eat all sorts of raw stuff, so we are also built for raw diets. Proof: a study shows pigs' enzymes help them absorb nutrients like we do, so they are a good model. A review found humans and chimps have similar enzymes for digesting protein and carbs. A study mentioned that pigs and rats digest food with enzymes like ours. One planet's views. He'd focus on how we are like pigs, dogs, chimps, and rats to say we should eat raw, high protein, high fat diets. He'd argue raw meat digest well because cooking ruins enzymes. He'd add that dogs don't need much carbs. I agree with it. Still, science says we can digest cooked food just fine. This is a total BS. So it's like a religion, right? But still science says we can digest cooked food. It's just a BS. Because if you look the other animals, they can digest it properly, the raw foods in its original form. So why don't we? So if any guy who says that science says we can digest cooked food, this is a total BS. Just spit it out. This is a total BS, because we can digest properly. Because when you cook it, you lose enzymes, and it becomes very difficult for the body to digest it, to break it down and extract nutrients from it. And humans have only amylase protease for breaking down animal protein and lipase for animal fats. That's it. We don't have any cellulose or hemicellulose and pectinase to extract nutrients from fruits, and cellulose and hemicellulose to extract nutrients from plant fiber like cows, because we don't have any chambers like cows, goats, and sheep. In short, animals with similar systems to us are pigs, dogs, chimps, and rats. They have similar enzymes, but dogs don't have saliva, amylase, and chimps and rats digest plants a bit better. Pigs are the closest match. Bonner-Planitz would say this means we should eat raw meat, but science shows we can eat cooked food too. So to sum up, we have learned that humans have similar digestive system as other animals like pigs. This is a strong match. All right, this is a strong match. Pigs, dogs, chimpanzees, rats, but the closest match is the pigs. And I'm saying that this is only they can only match with their digestive system, but we are the humans, Homo sapiens are the dominant animal among all of these, and we are the most intelligent animals in all of the animal kingdom. So we are designed to eat only raw animal fats, right, to thrive in this earth. The moment you eat any plant fiber, you started to degenerate and have weak bones and the size of the skull, and this shows the symptoms of your malnourished. If you want any proof for it, I will link down the meta-analysis, all the links, the proofs. Just look it down, all right, if you want to study it. All right, thanks for watching.